Good morning, students. Today we will start our second chapter, polynomials. Before starting this chapter, I will tell you what is polynomial. A polynomial is defined as the expression which is composed of variables, constants, and exponents that are combined using the mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 9. Here the variable is x, exponent is 3 and the constant is 9. This is the standard form of a polynomial. Now we will discuss the types of polynomial. The types of polynomial is based on terms and degree. On the base of terms, there are three types of polynomial. First is monomial. Second is binomial. Third is trinomial. On the basis of degree, it is linear, quadratic, and cubic. Firstly, we will discuss what is monomial. The monomial is an expression which contains only one term like 2x, 6a power 4, and binomial is an expression contains two terms like 2x plus 3, x square plus z. These are two terms. Now trinomial. Trinomial is an expression contain three terms like 2x square plus 9x plus 8. This is your first term, second term and third term. Now we will discuss the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is having the highest degree 1 like 2x plus 3. The highest degree is 1. And the quadratic polynomial having highest degree 2 like 4x square plus 4x plus 3. And this polynomial the highest degree is 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. And the cubic polynomial having highest degree 3 like x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. The highest degree is 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. Now we will discuss the degree of polynomial. The degree of polynomial is defined as the highest degree of monomial, which is a polynomial. The polynomial equation having one variable which has the largest exponent is called the degree of polynomial, like 4x square plus 1x plus 1. In this polynomial the highest degree is 2. So the degree of polynomial is 2. Now we will start our first exercise, exercise 2.1. And the first question is, which of the following expressions are the polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. Like first part is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. This is a polynomial in one variable and the one variable in this polynomial is x. Now second part, y square plus root 2. This is also a polynomial having variable 1. The one variable is y. In third sum, 3 root t plus t root 2. This given algebraic expression is not a polynomial because exponent of the variable is given polynomial is not a whole number, because 3 t root is power 1 by 2 and this is not a whole number. So 3 root t plus t root 2 is not a polynomial. Now fourth part, y plus 2 by y. We can write y plus 2 y power minus 1. The given algebraic expression is not a polynomial because exponent of the polynomial and the given polynomial is not a whole number. This is not a whole number. So y plus 2 by y is not a polynomial. And the fifth part is x power 10 y power 3 plus t power 50. This expression is a polynomial because the exponents are in whole number, and this polynomial is in three variables. The first variable is x, second is y, and third is t. Now move to question number second. Read the statement. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. The first is 2 plus x square plus x. And in this part, the coefficient of x square is 1. In second part, 2 minus x square plus x cube. In this question, the coefficient of x square is minus 1. Third part, pi by 2 x square plus x. In this part, the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. And fourth part, root 2x minus 1. The coefficient of x square is 0 because in this polynomial there is no x square. Now move to question number third. Give one example each of the binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. Firstly, the binomial. Binomial is an expression having two terms. So the degree, we want degree 35. I will take example 3x power 35 plus 7. These are two terms, so this is binomial and the exponent is 35, which satisfied the binomial of degree 35. And the second one is monomial of degree 100. 5z power 100. The exponent is 100 and monomial contains only one terms. Now move to question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. The first part is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. The highest degree is 3. So the degree of polynomial is 3. Second part, 4 minus y square. The highest degree is 2. So the degree of polynomial is 2. In the third part, 5t minus 7. The highest degree is 1. So degree of polynomial is 1. In fourth part, the polynomial is 3. So the degree of polynomial is 0. Now move to question number 5th. Read the statement. Classify the following as a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Our first part is x square plus x. The highest degree is 2 and the highest degree is 2. I told you earlier, it is a quadratic polynomial. In second part, x minus x cube, highest degree 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. Third part, y plus y square plus 4, the highest degree is 2, so this is a quadratic polynomial. And the fourth part is 1 plus x, the highest degree is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. And fifth part, 3t, the highest degree is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. Sixth part, r square, the highest degree is 2, so this is a quadratic polynomial. And seventh part, 7x cube, the highest degree is 3, so it is a cubic polynomial.